Hello everybody, mostly esteemed nature lovers. You are most welcome to the Junior Guide Training channel. Most welcome once again in this course of International Standard of Interpretation with Mr. Badman. Here, we will be providing 3 seasons. The first season will be about birds interpretations. The second will be about animal interpretation. The third one will be about plant interpretation. Today, we are going to start the first season about bird interpretation, the most enormous and spectacular bird of East Africa. This is our first episode. Let's learn their names, sounds, location, and interesting facts. First birds. This bird is called African jacana, as known as Jesus birds. Let's hear its sound. African jacana, as known as Jesus birds, can be found commonly on the water bodies. It is the most beautiful bird with the interesting fact of having the ability to walk onto the water as Jesus did. The second bird is called great blue tulaco. Let's hear the sound. You can find great blue tulaco in Rwanda, especially in Nyungwe forest. The interesting facts about these birds is that it uses natural appearance to date a female. By doing it trusts its colorful appearance. Next wonderful facts is that King Muswati hat is decorated by blue tulaco feathers. The next bird is a hammercock. Let's hear its sound. You can find hammercock on the water bodies. Its interesting fact about hammercock is that it is a medium bird and the first one which builds the largest nest compared to the other birds over the world. Second facts. Its nest has chambers and rooms as termites do. It is believed that human beings imitate what's happening in the nature. However, apart from its cleverness, it is the most stupid bird all over the world because it hopes that red color means fire and it cannot approach it. Our next bird is African grey hornbill. Let's hear how it sounds. We can find African grey hornbill in Rwanda, especially in Akagera National Park. Its interesting fact about this bird is that it can't be either widow or orphan. It is the most fearful bird among others. The next one is about clay-crowned crane. Let's hear also its sound. We can find these birds in Akagera National Park, even in Kigali, Bugesera. The interesting fact about gray-crowned crane is that both male and female look alike. Second, all genders provide parental care. That's all about this episode. And in our second episode, we will be looking at birds' identification techniques. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share, comments, and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next episode.